Hey guys, so I'm going to make some stuffed chicken breasts and here we go.
So first you want to brine your chicken and basically put it in some warm salt water for about 20 minutes. Okay, get the salt off the chicken because you had it brining and you don't want that salt on there no more.
So for seasoning, we're going to use smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme leaves. With all the seasonings I just showed you, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it in. It's going to create this little mixture here. You put about 2 spoonfuls of my little mix in here and I'm going to see how that goes. I have a little left. I can save it and use it for next time, but this is how much I'm going to use for right now. You want to cut these, split them so you can stuff them. Now if you want to, you can take this extra seasoning you have and put it on the inside. So that's what I'm going to do. So I got some goat cheese from my local grocery store. It's stuffed with garlic and herb. I'm going to use this to stuff it with spinach. So I'm going to take about this much from each one of them and cut. So I leave a little dent. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm probably going to have about this much cheese left. So I'm going to take a piece this side and stuff the breast first. And I want it to spread out, so I'm get my hands dirty here. I do have this Monterey Jack cheese for a different recipe, but this is the only one they had and it's so big. So I'm just gonna shred just a little bit of this and stuff these as well. I shredded my cheese. I'm just gonna stuff it. It has a different texture than the goat cheese and I want that texture, so. I'm gonna take some spinach and stuff the chicken. Okay, I've stuffed all of them with spinach, and as you see, they won't stay closed. So you can use toothpicks to keep them kind of closed a little bit.
People should always look for new, exciting and cool things to do. Don't let situations hold you down, just realize so many things